Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another, Tuesday, December the 5th in the year of our Lord 2023. How are y'all? Y'all, look at this. We have elevated participation in the market, which means above average volume. We have the cash open right here. We are tagging it. We went back up from it. The weekly pivot point is here. Here's another pivot point. Here's the overnight high. We are at the overnight high. VIX is at 13 even, AD negative 320. You would expect with a negative 320 on the AD that we would be down much farther than we are, only down 0.11%. So if that remains, we would expect the price maybe to go down a little bit more for the rest of the day. But it's an inside day, y'all. Ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. But it looks like we're getting lower highs and lower lows. So, we'll see if it walks on down for the rest of the day. But with our strategy, it really doesn't matter, does it? Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster is fairly priced, and it's a nothing burger. We are at the point of control pretty much. And we might tag some of these areas of low pressure. Kind of like in the weather, it'll have a tendency to swoop right in there or to swoop right down here, but you can't. Let's blow it up a little bit, see if we can see. Yeah, I would think that this would be a more gravitational pull on it. So maybe a little bullish on this chart here. Let's see if the linear regression looks any different than what we anticipated. Yep, doji. Volume is going up. We still expect this to roll over at some point. It rolled over yesterday, so rolled over a little bit today. So we would anticipate a downward motion here to keep that linear regression going down. But let's see how our little thing is doing today. Look at that, y'all. 99.5% probability of profit. I like it a lot. So we're going to trade 2 IRAs today. Yes, you can do this in your IRAs. You can do it anytime. So with most brokers anyway, you can trade our little strategy. So let's see what we got going on here. This is the main IRA, and we are at 93,391. 93,391. Let's put that in. 93,391. 93. Oh, yeah. 93,391. Fire up the band, baby.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
We just growing. Look at us. And our deltas are at 50, and our theta is at 63. 50, 63. Don't forget, Tony from Mexico will be with us tomorrow, y'all. Very excited about Tony being with us at lunch. So get your questions ready for Uncle Tony. What a super human being he is. He's just so nice, y'all. And he's going to be with us tomorrow. 23,100 on the buying power. 23,100. Let's see. Oh, wow. So we're a little blue. We're a little green. We're a little green. So this is telling me, hey there, Bob, put you on a little trade, buddy. So why don't we do that? And, here, the problem with this one, I feel bad. We're only up 9% on this account this year. We just not put enough data to work, and it's my fault. I normally do 1 lots, and I should do 2 lots on this trade, on this account. So let's go and do a 2-lotter today. So let's go to the trade tab. We'll go to the micros. And let's do a 2-lotter of our little 1-1-2 trade. So we go closest to 120 days. So that's 19 away. That's 16 away. So we could probably go to this 136 days, right? That's closer than 101, right? 119, 116. Yeah. So let's go here. And let's see if we can sell 4 puts of the 5% probability of being in the money. So let's see if we can get like a 1650 or so on these. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those for 1650. Come on, little baby. Hear me roar. All right, make this less advantageous. So let's reduce that to 16 and a quarter. 16 and a quarter. And we are in at the 3650, 3750. Let's put that in 3750, 3750, and we got filled at 16 and a quarter. Nice premium. Isn't that great when the market goes down as it did? couple days ago or yesterday that we get a little bit of. There we go. So we'll call this naked put 101. Puts naked, and 136 was the days 12 5 23. There we go. So then let's do a two lotter here, make it a put debit spread 101, and let's see where we can put these. All right, so 25 delta or so that's going to be right around the 4450, 4450, 4400, and let's do two of them for $10. Come on, baby. Yeah. Rough. 4450, 4400 for 1025. Did it, Phyllis? 1025. I don't like it bumping the price up on me. All right. So 4450, 4400. 4450, 4400. Puts, debit spread 136. 12 5 23, and we got in for 10 1/4. All right, then let's go put them in our groups. So we'll go over here, we'll go show groups, and then we'll go down here to the unallocated stuff and put our T-bills in their place. There we go. Move to group T-bills, and then we got this. So we've got a put debit spread. Got another put debit spread that we didn't group the other day, and a naked and a naked. Move to group naked and move to group naked. Beautiful. All right, second account. Let's do it, because I want you guys to be able to do this while you're in your cubicle at your place of work. So let's see how we're doing in this account. This is our Roth IRA. So net lick over here is, no, that's right. I don't remember the Roth IRA. Is it here? Let's do the Roth IRA. Roth IRA is at 29,606. 29,606. 29,606. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, and here we're at 15 deltas and 19 theta. 15, 19. 15, 19. Okay, so VIX is 13, and our buying power over here is 8,400. All right, so we're using 28%, but we're a little blue here. What do? Well, we put on a trade. So what you could do is go to the other account and grab those trades that we just did, right? We could go over here, and we could go field orders, and we could do this, create a duplicate order. I think I'm going to do 2 lots in this account. I think I am. So do confirm and send, and then put it in the right account, the 2030 account. See if we can get filled. Yeah, we did. We got filled at 1625. And then let's go and grab the other thing that we did, monitor. We'll do that same order here, create duplicate order, 1025, and put it in the 2030 account and send, baby. And we are in at 985. Wow. How about that? Is that right? 985? Yeah, 1625 and 985. All right, then what you can do is go and grab this, right? And just say, let's copy that. Copy. And paste it into our little trade thing over here. Control V. And then we got in at 16 1/4. And what was the other one? 8 something? 985. 985. I like it. I like it a lot. 9.85. Boom. Done. Now, we've got things telling us to close them and everything, but there's really no need to, y'all. I mean, we got 10 days left in this trade. Let's take it to expiration. It's the 40-50 put. That's perfectly safe. And our theta is low. So let's see what we bumped our theta up to. We were at 19, so we did these two trades. So now our theta is at 25. Beautiful. We got $6 extra in theta. That's the way you like it. So let's go put our trades in our groups, and then we'll be done for the day, boys and girls, little boys and girls. So let's put these into their little T-bills. 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 Hey, it is T-bill Tuesday, isn't it? Forgot about that. So after we go off camera, you and I will go in and do our T-bill work for the day. So we got, what we got here? We got all kinds of stuff that I hadn't grouped. This is a naked. This is a naked. And this is a put debit spread. Put debit spread. This is a put debit spread. This is a put debit spread. This is a naked, it looks like. This is a put debit spread. This is a naked. Boy, I hadn't done these in a long time. And hopefully y'all keep up with your accounts more than I do. I got so much stuff to do during the day. I'm like, I look at it 10, 15 times. 10 or 15 minutes a day, and I'm doing. What is that? That's a put debit spread right here. Move to group, put debit spread. Okay, now we got them all in there. Okay, so that's it. So y'all have a wonderful day. Everybody else can hang loose. We're going to go into the after-school session to do our T-bills. See y'all tomorrow with Tony from Mexico, 12 noon Eastern.